So you just finished making an awesome 3D print and you want to bring it to life. Maybe that's an Iron Man helmet, maybe it's an astromech droid, maybe it's a pit droid. And you want to put things like LED lights, you want to put motors in there, sounds, you may even want to remote control it. And you might need to do some soldering. You may need to buy one of these expensive remote control units. And the process may not necessarily be very simple. Well, today we're going to take a look at CyberBrick. I got to see them up close and personal at Rapid TCT in Detroit. It's amazing, and it's a game changer for the STEM education community. So let's go ahead and explore it right after this.
Welcome to the show that sets your mind free. Tech and gadgets, 3D surprise.
So I'm here at the Bambu Lab booth and I am taking a look at their CyberBrick solution. This is by far one of the coolest things that Bambu Lab has done. And I really do mean that. I know the printers are really exciting, but as someone in the STEM education community, I think what they're doing here is just insanely brilliant. Basically, through CyberBrick now, through these modules, kids are going to be able to bring their creations to life. Being able to 3D model something and then basically put in modules for receivers and LEDs and servos and transmitters, and being able to create your own remote control, to literally 3D print your own remote control and being able to print these machines. It's just really amazing. Bambu Lab is positioning themselves as being the one-stop solution for all your STEM needs. I mean, basically, kids are going to be able to 3D print out everything from cars to robots to really anything that they can imagine. And then through CyberBrick, they're going to be able to bring their creations to life. And I think there is nothing cooler than what we're seeing right here. I'm holding right now a remote control that is actually 3D printed. And if I open this up, you'll notice that here we have the transmitter right there, and this is solderless. Like, there's no soldering required. It's fantastic for kids to be able to innovate and to create. And like I said, it's all about bringing their creations to life. Personally, I think this could end up being one of the biggest revenue generators for the company. I don't know if people are appreciating what they did here, but as a STEM educator, this is insane. This is really basically closing the loop on getting the entire ecosystem, the makerspace ecosystem. Now you've seen with the H2D, they have laser engraving, they have cutting, obviously 3D printing, but being able to also have this one-stop shop of everything in robotics and all the parts is really just something amazing. I'm just a huge fan. I've been playing around with this like all day. I mean, oh shoot, I'm gonna fix that. But let's take a look at some, okay, I think I turned that off, but oh, there we go. That is just so cool. Look how I'm able to just scoop up. Oh, that's so neat. So what's so cool about this, I mean, there's just so many, oh my God, there's so many ideas for this. I mean, I could see schools doing competitions with this. I actually see Bambu Lab doing like what Vex does, and maybe they're gonna be like Vex competitions. It could be CyberBrick competitions where kids are gonna be able to innovate, 3D model, 3D print, and then bring their creations into the arena. I really see a very bright future for this whole CyberBrick initiative. I was as soon as it came out, I was super excited and I backed this campaign immediately. And the price point is great. The modules that you're going to get are fantastic. Other things to know about this is that it's built on MicroPython, which is a fantastic language to teach your kids. Then you can really start innovating well beyond the kids. This is coming out sometime in May, and the price point is just right. $25, you get an entire kit, and that's it. You bring your creations to life. That is just so awesome. And I'm so excited to see what they bring next. Anyway, I had a great experience over at the Bambu Lab booth. I want to thank the Bambu Lab team for taking me through the paces on the CyberBrick product. I'm so excited for it. As I mentioned earlier, I backed the campaign, so I can't wait to get my hands on it and do it with my kids as well as my students. I really think that this initiative is a game changer for the STEM community. With that being said, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy printing.